Okay guys, look at this, look at my FC points. What's up fellas and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be show you how I got free FC points for FC Mobile 26, absolutely free, safe and online guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search FC Mobile and you will find the online tool. Click there guys and I will have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here. So let me paste my here, I already copy. Let me click continue guys. Let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our FC points. So I will go with the maximum. So let me click continue guys and let's see does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for FC Mobile, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I recover more of these and review more websites for now. This AppLoop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect guys, and now we're on the manual verification step. The last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher with the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and DraftKings Casino, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags. Guys, I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happens, so let's wait together and let's see. Nice guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boat check. Your FC points are on the way guys. I'm so excited to test this. Okay, so let me open the game and let's see does it actually work. So let's see. Okay guys, look at this, look at my FC points. It's actually generating guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.